Hi, this is David Eckel with Graybar Electric, and I'm at InfoComm 2022. I wanted to talk today about one of the products that we're highlighting. So Atlona is a partner that we work with. They're a Panduit company, and we're highlighting their ARK, or their Atlona Room Kit. And this is a really unique kit because it is a prefab AV solution that'll fit within a conference room, a huddle room, a classroom, and it comes already 80% configured. There are two challenges that integrators are facing today. One, product availability. These products are available within 4 weeks or so. But the other is labor, and it's difficult to get labor that is able to program the switches, the matrices, etc. So by coming in 80% programmed, you can then have your junior techs install the product, get your solution out quickly, and be able to do more work and offer more solutions to your customers. So we think this has a great value to the integrator and the AV Pro as they're looking to grow and expand their business. And the website is www.graybar.com.